Good morning, students. Today we will learn the next soil related practical to study moisture content of soil. So, the materials required are samples of soil, at least 3 types of soil: garden soil, roadside soil and ground soil. We have 3 types of soil samples: crucible, wire gauge and tongue, burner, and we need a balance for measuring the amount of soil. Procedure: half fill of crucible with garden soil and weight it. We weight it. See here. And note down 10 gram of garden soil. The table has the serial number, soil type, initial weight A, final weight B and difference A minus B, and 3 type of sample: garden soil, roadside soil and ground soil. And we take the other sample and weight it. Other sample and weight it. This is also a 10 gram. We take the same amount of soil. The third is the ground soil. The weight is also and note down it in our table: 10 gram soil. After it, one by one, we take the before the practical or after the heat. So we use the burner and use the wire gauge and keep the crucible on this. About 15 minutes. Burn it on the burner. We keep it 15 minutes and then cool it. One by one, 3 samples are keep on over the burner. We use tongue over the burner and cool down. Same again, we keep the next crucible, roadside soil, on the burner. Keep 10 to 15 minutes. And repeat it this. And keep it this on with the ground soil. तीनों सॉइल को हम बारी बारी से, पहले हमने वेट लिया था, इनिशियल वेट गरम करने से पहले, और अब हम गरम किया है हमने, तो इनका जो वाटर था वो इवेपोरेट हो जाता है और जो सॉइल है उनमें जो मॉइस्चर कंटेंट है वो वाटर वेपर के रूप में रिमूव हो जाता है और हम इसका अगेन वेट लेंगे. Okay, so it is ready for wait again. It's cool. These are the 3 samples and cool down. After we take the weight on, after burning, the weight is 8 gram garden soil, and weight again the roadside soil, 9 gram, 9 gram, and then again the garden soil 9.5 gram. So the difference will be A minus B, यानी 10 minus 8 यानी 2 gram of water, 1 gram of amount of moisture, and 0.5 gram of amount of moisture in these 3 samples. So the observation: after the reading we can calculate we observe the garden soil has the more moisture than the roadside and ground soil. Garden soil has the initial weight is 10 gram. After burning it is 8 gram. So the difference is 2 gram of moisture content in the garden soil. Roadside soil initial weight is 10 gram and final is 9 gram. So the 1 gram is difference. Ground soil 10 gram and 9.5 gram and 0.5 gram is the difference. So this is the observation. Maintain the table. Precautions: crucible should be dry before use. Second, always use with wire gauge to heat the crucible. Third, use tongue to handle the crucible. I hope you understand the practical. Thank you. Have a nice day.